Hi everybody. Okay, so there was some confusion on this slide right over here, and the confusion was my fault. I apologize. Let's go over the slide one more time, and I'm going to point out where the issue was, and then I will fix it, and then I will update and post these slides over, and it'll have a kind of a new date to it, so you'll know that the new version is up, so there won't be any confusion, right? So assumption number 2 in a parametric test assumes that there is equal variance. And now, when we say equal variance, we don't really need to be equal, right? We need to be close enough to equal, okay? So the way that we use the rule of thumb is if the ratio of the larger variance to the smaller variance is less than 4, then we can assume that the variances are approximately equal. Right? And so the confusion came because now after you go ahead and you run your statement and you get your results, you'll see here in this table we have the exam score 1, here's the mean, and here's the variance for 1, and then here is exam score 2, here's the mean, and here's the variance for 2. Right? What we need to do is we need to take the variance from 1 and divide it by the variance of 2. Right? But you'll see here that I goofed and I listed the variance for 1 and the mean of 1, right? So that was a mistake, right? So mean doesn't even factor into this equation right over here. So what this should have been was not 160.38 divided by 78, it should have been 160.38 divided by 83.72, right? And I have to do this on my calculator. And I'm afraid to open up a calculator on the screen because it might end the video. So let me just do this on my phone. 160, you do it with me, right? So 160.38, divide that by 83.72, and that gives us 1.91, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this like a dark red, and then this way you know that we've addressed this, right? So since the ratio is less than 4, we can assume that the variance between the two groups are approximately equal. Hope this clears everything up. I will see you all soon. Thanks.